President Akufo-Addo has described as distressing the refusal by some doctors and dentists to accept postings to deprived areas of the country. He said the development is hampering effective healthcare delivery in such areas. Addressing the 60th anniversary of the establishment of the University of Ghana Medical School, the president said whilst government works to improve conditions in such areas, it is incumbent on medical professionals to adhere to their oaths and accept postings to such areas.
Schools have got a good reputation and have been training good doctors and dentists who find work with some ease in all parts of the world. But the doctor-dentist population ratio in our country still remains unsatisfactory after 65 years of nationhood. We currently do not have the right numbers of doctors, dentists, and healthcare professionals with the right mix of skills and expertise in our regions, districts, and deprived communities, especially for the newly created regions and districts. The news of doctors refusing postings to these areas is thus particularly distressing. I encourage all medical practitioners to follow the worthy example of your great forebears, like Dr. Charles Eastman, Dr. Evans Zamfon, and their likes, who readily accepted postings in their early years at a time when the national infrastructure was even more harrowing than it is today.
The president also reiterated his commitment to complete the Agenda 111 hospital projects before leaving office.
Government's commitment to improving our healthcare delivery system is evident in the Agenda 111 initiative. This project will provide 101 standard 100-bed district hospitals with accommodation for doctors and nurses in districts without district hospitals. 6 new regional hospitals for each of the 6 new regions. Rehabilitate the Afia and Kwanta Hospital in the Western region. 1 new regional hospital for the Western region. And 3 psychiatric hospitals for each of the 3 zones of the country. That is the North, Middle, and Coastal. And the entire package at an estimated cost of $1.765 billion United States dollars. Such a development will help make Ghana a center of medical excellence and a preferred destination for medical tourism in West Africa.
And that's President Akufo-Addo there. Our presidential correspondent Elton Brobe joins us on the telephone line with more. Elton, I understand the Vice-Chancellor raised some issues about inadequate infrastructure at the medical school. What was the President's reaction?
So the President said that he's working with the Ministry of Education to take a look at the University of Ghana Medical School block, which is 60 years old, and he will make funds available depending on the outcome of the proposal that has been put before them. He will make funds available for them to expand the medical training school to ensure that they are able to admit more students to pursue medicine and other related courses. Because for him, the ratio, the doctor-patient ratio in the country is widening by the day. But lack of access is hampering the University of Ghana from, admitting more students to pursue medicine. And for that reason, he's working with the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance, regarding the proposal, and government will make funds available in the face of difficulties the economy is facing to ensure that the accommodation, the lecture theaters are expanded so that more people can gain admission to pursue medicine.
And Elton, that's not all the president is up to today. There's an Ecowas summit that he will be opening later today. Tell us more about that.
So, this has delayed a bit. I mean, the advertised time was 11 a.m. Now we have been told that the meeting will start at 2 p.m. and most of the foreign dignitaries are yet to arrive in the country. Now, this will be the first time all member states will be meeting here in Accra to take a look at several issues before them. Of particular importance is the unrest in Guinea-Bissau, Mali, and the other countries in the sub-region. And they will be expecting to hear a report from Goodluck Jonathan, the former president of Nigeria, and Ghana's foreign minister. And that will form the basis for the discussions here at the Ecowas Technology Summit, after which they will take a firm decision regarding these issues going forward, Mamaji.
Here, that's Elton Bobe, our presidential correspondent.